Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail art haul for you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. So this is a second part to a continuation of my Shein series that I am doing, because I did purchase a couple goodies from Shein, so I'm doing it in different parts for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for I can know to continue to create these videos for you guys, and hit that notification bell to get notified every single time I upload. So here I'm starting off with some sequins nail art glitter, and these are just in different shapes and different colors, and they're just so beautiful. So I was really glad that I came across these. I'm just going to quickly show you what each of them consists of, and I love these for encapsulation or just, you know, adding onto some glitters or whatever the case may be. They always look really nice and very put together and very easy to use as well. So that is the first thing that I'm going to be showing in today's haul. And by the way guys, I'm really trying my best to be consistent. It's just been hard because I just have not really been wanting to film, but I don't want to be lazy, and I definitely want to get into the habit of always being as consistent as I can be. So I definitely am working on being more disciplined, because I know you guys love and enjoy these videos, and I always appreciate all your love and support. So yeah guys, here I'm just going to show you briefly what each little pot consists of. So now we're moving on to this wheel of rhinestones, and these are really nice. They're like a rhinestone but with like gold trim, and they're super nice and big, and they're in different colors and shapes. So I really love these because you could definitely add this to a rhinestone nail and just add on to it, and it'll look so beautiful. So I can't wait to use these and see what I can create with them. So I'm gonna be showing you one out of the box just for you guys to see more up close, and also I'm going to be placing it on my nail for you guys can see what I mean. So next here we have a pack of 5 different types of female slices. I did really want to get these in particular for the hearts that it included, and also for like the sweets. So here I'm just showing you the traditional original ones that are such great for summer looks. You know, if you're doing for encapsulation, it just looks so beautiful. So here you have your typical variation of different type of fruit slices, which I already have many of these, but it's always good to have backup. Let me know what you guys think so far about this haul. Let me know down below what was your favorite item. Next, we're moving on to these butterflies, multicolored butterflies, female slices, and they're so pretty. I can't wait to encapsulate these and incorporate some glitters with them. It's gonna look so pretty. I'm thinking of doing these with like some polygel encapsulation with the lazy girl method. Next, we're moving on to my favorite, which is this one of sweets. This was just a variety of different types of sweets. Really pretty, really cute. It also included these leaves, which I really liked because you can use these for the fall time or also for the summertime if you're doing like a tropical look. So I really appreciated that because I didn't have any of those. And of course, one of my favorites as well, which is the hearts. And these are so beautiful for either all year round or particularly for Valentine's Day. So I really love these, and I didn't have many of those. I think I just had like a little wheel of them, so I'm glad I got to get those. Next, we're moving on to one of my favorite things as well, and these are just some chains, like different style chains and thicknesses of the chain that you can incorporate into the nail. And these were just so beautiful. I absolutely loved these. Absolutely love these, and I'm pretty sure you can apply these with some rhinestone glue and they will be good to go. So I'm just gonna show you the different styles that it included, and this was kind of picking up as gold on camera, but it was more of a light rose gold to me. So I'm just gonna be briefly showing you guys the different chains that it incorporated. Next, we're moving on to some press-on nails, and this one incorporates 24, and I honestly got it because of the design and color, but when I saw it in person, I didn't really like the shape of it and the length. It's not my cup of tea, but I really like the color and the design on each nail. I just didn't like the shape or length, but I will be showing you here everything it includes, like the different types of nails, and I'll also be placing it on my silicone hand to show you the length and what it would look like on a hand. So now we're moving on to some really beautiful rhinestones, and they have different shapes. I'll be showing you the different types of designs it includes, along with how shiny they are. I definitely love these, and I'm so glad that I purchased them because they're definitely super shiny and sparkly, and I love this color rhinestone as well. So now we're moving on to this box of 3D butterflies along with 3D roses or flowers, and they're so beautiful, and I love these third dimensional embellishments that you add onto the nail because it definitely adds so much depth and just takes the nails to a whole different level. So here I'm just going to be showing you what they look like, and then I'm going to place it on my actual nail just to show you, to have an idea of what it would look like. And this is so beautiful, like so pretty. And actually with this nail design I have on, it would have went perfectly because those roses are also incorporated in my foils that I'm using on my nail set, so it actually would have looked really pretty. So I really love that. So I'm just briefly showing you now the butterfly as well. Super nice. They just have the greatest things in Shein. I always recommend everybody to check them out. They're super affordable, fast shipping. It took me 2 weeks for my package to get here, and if you pay priority you will receive it even earlier. So it's definitely awesome, and I love how they're constantly updating their stuff and placing new nail art supplies all the time, so you'll always have something new to see and buy. There's a lot of things that I've seen on Shein that I haven't seen on Ali or Amazon, so that's really great. So here I'm just showing you these line stickers that they're like striping tape, but they're like the sticker version, and I thought they're really cool, and they're probably much easier to use as well. So here are the ones that I got. Next we're moving on to these other stickers, and these are like astral type of stickers, and they're so cute. Sometimes though I don't really like how when I open a packaging of stickers through Shein, they're really small. So that's something that I don't really like. I noticed in this big bundle that I purchased, a lot of stickers are so tiny. I'm like, wow, really? Like these, sometimes it's very misdeceiving. Sometimes it's very misleading, the picture, but it's fine. So next we're moving on to these beautiful butterflies. I absolutely love these. They're so gorgeous. They're just so stunning and glamorous. I'm going to be showing you them up close and on the nail. They're so beautiful. I absolutely love these. So pretty. So we're coming to an end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for tuning in and always being so supportive and loving. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you guys once again. Till next time.